Hey guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your online banking account on Dukhan Bank. If you have already registered for online banking account on Dukhan Bank, then now you can log into your account using the login credentials that you have set while registering for your account. The process to log into your online banking account is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. By the completion of the login process, you can have access to your financial transactions, account histories and details from anywhere and anytime online. In order to get started, all you have to do is just go to any browser on your desktop. Then on the search bar, search for dukhanbank.com. And once you land onto an interface like this, just go and tap onto the personal online banking option here. By tapping on it, you will land onto the login page of Dukhan Bank. But before you get started with the login process, there are a few things that you need to keep in your mind. You cannot log into your online banking account on Dukhan Bank if you haven't registered for it at the first place. So in order to do that, all you have to do is just go and tap onto the register now option here in order to start your registration process. After the registration process is complete, you will be provided with a username and a set of password that you can log into your online banking account. So go to username text field and enter the username associated to your online banking account. Then go to the password text field and enter the password that you have set while registering for your account. If you want the site to remember your username, then just go and tap on to remember username option here. But do not tap onto this box if you are using any shared or public device. And in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can just go and tap onto forget password option in order to reset your password. Once you're done entering your login details, you can just go and tap onto login option here, and by tapping on it, you will have successfully logged into your online banking account on Dukhan Bank. So with all this information, I think you can log into your online banking account in no time. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.